Alright guys, so this is my new Santa Cruz 5010C. It's a 2015. It's in black. We just got it. It was custom built by this guy. Yeah, so this is going to be a bike check of it. So first off, it's got a RockShox Pike RC. It's just a great fork, I guess. XT brakes front and rear, Easton Haven rims, Schwab or Schwabe, however you say it, Hans Dampf, I guess you'd call it, tires front and rear, Thompson Elite dropper post with specialized seat, X1 cranks, XT pedals. It's got a 1x11 with a GX derailleur. I'm not sure what the cassette is. It's got a Fox Kashima Factory Edition CTD shock, and the shifter is a GX. It's got a race face stem. I guess that's the turbine series, and then it's got respond bars from race face. So that's the dropper post. Those are the brake levers. I love the way the shifter feels. It's really nice and everything. The bike is just a great bike. Like, I love it so far. It's the best bike I've ever had. Probably the best bike I ever will have. So, thanks for watching. See you next time.